All right, so here's just a quick overview of the workshop funnel process. So, of course, this whole course is really about using social media ads to get people to register for your event. So we're starting there. You need to have traffic to get registration. So we're going to get it through Facebook ads, and also Instagram. They go together. If you're in order to run Instagram ads, you have to run them through Facebook. So we'll go into more depth in that later. But here's where you need to send people. You need to send people to a registration page or landing page, right? So we'll go more in depth into how to set that up at a later point. The main way to do that is through something like this. You can use a free service like Eventbrite, which is going to be a very simple way to do it, but you're going to have some limitations there in terms of automations and things like that, and following up with your leads. Or you could use something like ClickFunnels or HighLevel, which HighLevel is what we recommend, and we'll be showing some more videos on how to use HighLevel in particular because we feel that's your best way to go. From there, then people register through that landing page that's either in Eventbrite or HighLevel or ClickFunnels or some similar process, and there should be some automations in place, some pre-event emails and SMSs that are set up once someone registers to confirm their registration and then to remind them about the event, build some rapport prior to the event, and to help ensure that they get to the event, and also do so automatically so that it takes any additional work off of you or your team. From there, then, of course, is the day of the workshop. You have the people in attendance. Now, one of the pieces that people often miss is the follow-up, and we'll go into some really important follow-up procedures to maximize your return on investment by helping individuals who either showed up that night and didn't sign up for your offer, or maybe they no-showed, help them take advantage of the offer so that your return on investment is as high as possible. So that's just a quick overview of the workshop funnel. This is what it looks like. It's pretty simple. There's a lot of steps and pieces along the way, and we're going to walk through each and every one of them so that you're ready to build out your workshop funnel by the time you're done with this course. All right, stay tuned for the next module.